And one of the most important aspect of HPB Girls College is the unparalleled bond between the student and the teachers. I was a student from Assamese medium, and I literally found myself highly challenged. But at the same time, I got the immense support from the college because the college provided us with so many courses, and one of the most helpful course for me was the spoken English. Hi everyone, this is Prastuti Saikia. I'm currently working as a senior economics faculty in Oak Ridge International School, Hyderabad, Nottingham Education, UK. And whenever I get an opportunity to talk a few words about HPB Girls College, I always feel honored because when I reflect on the part of my career, I cannot help but acknowledge the pivotal role that HPB Girls College has played in my life. And it was within the walls of this great institution, my knowledge found its roots, my confidence got boosted, and my personality was refined to face the challenge beyond the world. And one of the most important aspect of HPB Girls College is the unparalleled bond between the student and the teachers. I still remember the times where after the formal lectures we used to sit outside the classroom and we used to share our knowledge with our teachers. And those moments were very, very special for us because those were the moments in which we actually got the idea about lots of things beyond academics. And it's not only about the relation, but in HPB we were forced to participate in different kind of competition. We were forced to present our seminar papers in different international or national level seminar papers, because of which actually our confidence got boosted up. And especially for me, one aspect I would definitely like to bring in is that I was a student from Assamese medium, and I literally found myself highly challenged. But at the same time, I got the immense support from the college because the college provided us with so many courses, and one of the most helpful course for me was the spoken English. With that, our teachers always encourage us to communicate in English so that we can learn from our mistakes. So in that way, not only from the academic side, our communication skill was developed, and now also the help which I got from the course, the courage which I got from my teacher is very, very helpful for me because I'm working in an international school outside Assam where my main source of communication is English. And another thing is that even though I left HPB in the year 2014, but still I have that strong connection with my teachers. I know one thing, that whenever I need help, whenever I seek for help, I have a home in the heart of the teachers at HPB Girls College, and I can get the help whenever I require. And now also whenever I feel that I need the help, I need the support, and sometimes in the part of the career, if something is going wrong, I have the teachers with whom I can connect, I can take the guidance. And there's so many things that I can talk about HPB. When I entered HPB in 2009, I was having a different personality. I was shy, my confidence level was low. But when I came out from HPB in the year 2014 after my graduation, my personality was completely different. I was more confident, I gained more knowledge, and I was ready to face the challenge outside the campus. And in that way, there's so many aspects, there are so many ways through which I got the help from the teachers from the college. And in conclusion, definitely I can say one thing, that I'm privileged, I'm honored, I'm blessed that I got an opportunity to study in HPB Girls College. And the kind of support, the kind of help, the kind of guidance I got from all the teachers of HPB Girls College, I'm grateful, I'm thankful to each and every one of my teachers. And I'm confident that the legacy of this support, guidance will continue for the upcoming generation. Thank you.